Yeah.
Welcome back to another episode of
I'll get better with the fucking
Gaming.
different
Like,
mode. This is
subscribe,
actually
follow, leave a comment. Facebook and YouTube. Dun, dun, dun.
Quick fucking question. Are you fucking high? You're high, aren't you?
Yeah, I am.
Yeah.
I'm coming to your city. Watch you when you pity.
Trying to do the verbally rap shit.
AKA Mr. T. I pity the fool. AKA who got some cookie? Mr. Cookie Monster.
What CSGO map is this? Is this a new freaking CSGO map or what is this? I've never seen this ever.
Still got my loadout on. Pick the right one.
My shit glitched.
But I'll try. Ooh. Dirty dog, muffin face. Scotchy new potty, body.
The traders goes insane.
Ooh. I said, ooh. I said, ooh. Let's get him, baby.
Are you fine? You okay?
Oh, dirty dog. Shot me. Stepped on a bomb. Hit me like an alarm.
Why am I so live here? What the fuck?
I'm up in the morning, ready to get him. Let's do this. Do this like Brutus. I gladly pay you for a hamburger today if you let me come back on Wednesday. Yeah, punk. Step into my room.
Your rap doesn't go hard.
Nobody asked you.
Oh my god.
Boo, fuck you.
I'm the biggest, I'm the baddest. You bitches the raddest, wanna come into my town. Hit you when I'm down, you a little like
top.
clown. Tell him when he up, he like up top. When I hit him, when he drop, well I pop.
I can't see nobody, bro.
He try to play motherfucking
Where the fuck are these people at?
I'm telling
up
you
top.
that I'm fed. He up top, and I'm telling you that
to the far right.
Oh, far right when I come tonight.
Far
When I hit him like kite.
Far left,
Behind the wagon
right.
when I come, I be like dragon.
Whatever side you're coming from.
Whatever side that you be coming from. Tell him when you get dumb.
That doesn't tell me jack shit.
Jack shit when you spit it. Tell me when you hit it. Legit kid it. Oh. Got it. You freestyle it. I don't even know I'm dope like that.
Fucking bitch.
Taking
I'm
B.
hearing
Taking
a lot of
B.
people are
Taking B.
like, where are they coming from?
Taking B. They don't want it.
Oh.
Taking B.
I'm here with you.
Thank you, brother. That dude was sneaking up on me. I saw you kill him. He ate dirt. He ate dirt like he wanted a sandwich out of it.
Why did they always end up behind me, bro?
Father.
Holy fuck. They keep ending up behind me. It's mad annoying.
Father. Trying to backdoor you?
Pause.
What you know about pause? You ain't from Harlem.
And there's a dude behind the fucking well. Holy shit, where? What? These places you're hiding are actually such pussy moves, bro.
Yeah.
Holy fuck. Do something with your life. Fucking your life. Holy shit.
Yeah. He coming, I'm getting bitter now. I'm rolling it in now. Tell him when I'm hitting now. Almost had them punks. I almost had them punks. Wasn't looking at nothing. I rolled up on him like, who you talking to?
Oh, why am I getting bitching? They keep. Oh my god, they're always out of my fucking perspective, bro. Always out of my goddamn field of view, bro.
Love throw a bomb on me, huh, punk? So I was going for the bacon and cheese, salami and
I
rice.
keep training! Holy shit, what do I fucking do? What do I do? I need tips. I keep fucking training with them. I need tips, bro. Give me some tips. Give me some tips.
Change your religion.
Okay, wow, shut the fuck up, bro.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
Like, why is it? Why not jumping? Why do I keep getting elevated? Holy fuck. No one's gonna go there. So we're just...
Oh, I hate this guy. Fucking asshole.
Give me that fucking gun. Give me the...
Oh my god.
Now
Is
he's
anyone else's game glitching?
Now he's in our spawn.
A little bit.
Now he's in our spawn.
He's in a small one.
Stay tuned for the next episode of Toy Man Q Gaming. See, folks.